folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Come to show you and do a quick video of my Mary Maxim Crochet Club kit that I got for the month of December. In case you guys missed it, happy holidays, happy new year. Sorry I was very busy taking care of family matters and things like that. So I've been gone for a little bit, but I'm back and trying to catch up with everything. So I wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can also click that join button to become a member if you like. And thank you so much for my members for all your continued support. It definitely helps a lot. And thanks for watching. So yeah, so this month for December, it's the no slip slippers from the monthly Mary Maxim Crochet Club Kit, and that's what this number is. It's showing 2025 12 crochet. Apparently they come in the size small, medium, and large. The yarn is really nice. It was 4 skeins of this, which is the Patons Highland bulky yarn, and it is a wool blend. And in case you don't know, this is what it is on the website, what I pay for. It's $18.99 for the kit, with $4.99 shipping and $1.79 tax. So this is within the US. I pay $25.77. So, I checked. This yarn is currently on clearance, I guess being discontinued. It's on Yarnspirations. It was also being sold in some other different places. On Yarnspirations right now, it's like $8.50, something like that. It was also like on Amazon for more, like 11 or 12 bucks or 13 bucks, but I didn't find this same colorway. So again, another discontinued yarn. Anyways, this is what the pattern looks like. I'm not like a super huge fan of making socks or slippers. The slippers do look cool though. They don't mention anything about anything anti-slip. So, it's part of the reason I'm not particularly making them is please be careful if you make anything like this to add anti-slip on the bottom. Some people suggest. Okay, gonna try this again. So as I was saying, these are slippers for this month's Mary Maxim Crochet Club Kit for the month of December. I got it a little late in January. So some folks suggest adding that 3D fabric paint on the bottom, or you can add like no slip grip things on the bottom. Anyways, just be very careful. So yeah, so this is what the pattern looks like. It doesn't say whether it's easy or not, and it calls for an N15 size 10mm crochet hook. It's classified as a super bulky yarn, and each ball comes with 83 yards or 76 meters. And I guess it was either in colorway Tidal or Golden. So this is the yarn, Patons Highland Bulky. It is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 83 yards or 76 meters, 75% acrylic with 25% wool, made in Turkey. And they recommend an 8mm knitting needles or 8mm L11 crochet hook. It doesn't show the care instructions on the label. Like it's like inside the label, so I have to tear the label, which is kind of annoying. And this is what, and this is, colorway is Tidal. That's what I read to you guys. I don't think it's focusing. Come on. There we go. And it is a pretty thick yarn. So, and like I said, it's 83 yards or 76 meters, and it's 4. It's a pretty color. I'll probably try to make something. Whoops, I'm still blurry. I'll probably try to make something else with it. So I hope you like this video. Take care, everyone. Bye.